Today we are going to renew the sealing surfaces of the valve seat of a single overhead cam inline CB750 Honda head. The first thing that you want to do is to remove the valve, exposing the seat. You want to insert the pilot into the guide. The pilot and the guide establish the foundation of alignment for the cutting of the seat. Tighten that down. The first cut that we're going to make is a 60-degree cut. This is a knee-way cutter. It's designed for hand use and it slides down over the pilot. At this point we're cutting the 60-degree angle on the valve seat. Oftentimes that's all it will take, that amount of rotation. Now we're going to establish the sealing surface, which is the 45-degree setting, or the 45-degree angle. This is what the valve will actually seal against. There we go. And the last angle that we're going to cut is the 30-degree angle. Now the 30-degree angle will narrow the 45-degree angle so that where it contacts the valve is slightly narrower, and it will establish the correct amount of contact. There we've established our three angles, the 60, the 45 sealing surface, and the final 30 for narrowing. Now the last thing, remove the pilot, and we'll insert the valve, and we'll be ready for valve lapping, which establishes the final sealing surface on the 45 degrees. This valve has been lapped previously and shows a small contact band. This contact band should be halfway between the edges of the sealing surface and approximately 1/3 of the width of the sealing surface. So we'll be ready for lapping as our next step.